Take the total team in the tea garden to take the taste of every teaspoon of tea in the tea time. How was the tea today? Take the total team in the tea garden to take the taste of every teaspoon of tea in the tea time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, your hospitality, and I'm really honored to be a student of English therapy. I'm
you.
not only a student in English therapy, I'm a student, I'm a family member of English therapy.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for tea.
Hey, take the tea, please. Take the total team in the tea garden to take the taste of every teaspoon of tea in the tea time.
Thank you so much.
Delicious. Sir, this is delicious tea.
It was very tasty. And
Very tasty.
this tea is from Abesh, and all English therapy members have come here to take taste of Abesh. And I think we all have enjoyed it, right? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The tea was very tasty. We want to thank our English therapy instructor, Sir Wisdom sir. Thank you so much.
So tasty.
It's so delicious. Its taste is very well, and I love this tea.
Sir treated us the cup of tea. The milk quantity is good, and this is delicious, man. Hey, what's your opinion?
I finished my tea. It's so much delicious, mouth-watering, and spicy. This
Pay now, you have to pay 50 taka in the afternoon. If you do not pay afternoon, evening 100 taka and tomorrow 200 taka.